This is the best self-help book summary ever. This book is called The Silva Mind Control Method. It was written by Jose Silva and published in 1977. This book will teach you how to develop your mental abilities using specific relaxation, visualization, and concentration techniques. The goal is to access deeper levels of your mind to improve your life emotionally, mentally, physically, and spiritually. One of the key ideas in the book is that you can train your mind just like a muscle. Through daily practice, you will learn how to enter deep relaxation at will and stay alert while accessing your deeper mental states. You'll also learn how to use your imagination to create mental images of your goals, healing, or solutions to problems. The clearer and more emotional the image, the more powerful the results. Other techniques include the 3-2-1 countdown method, which is a relaxation method where you count backwards from 3 to 1 to calm your mind. And the mental screen, which is a visualization tool where you imagine a screen in your mind, say, where you project your goals or problems. You then mentally move from the problem on the left side of the screen to the solution on the right side. By following the techniques outlined in this book, you'll be able to reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and memory, heal your body, achieve your goals, solve problems faster, and tap into your intuition and ESP abilities.